I want to welcome everybody to Legal Services of the Hudson Valley. This is our main office, and we're here tonight to celebrate the Pro Bono Scholars program and the Pro Bono Scholars from Pace Law School. We want to welcome some of our special guests, and we're going to have remarks from our wonderful Chief Judge, Jonathan Lippman. I'm just here to have the enviable job of introducing the Chief Judge, which is always a real pleasure for me. Now, the Chief Judge has been in office as Chief Judge, I think about a little over 6 years, but you've done a lifetime of good work.
First, let me say, congratulate Barbara and this fabulous organization for what you do every day in this part of the world. I was saying before we started that as great as our providers around the state are, this really, represents, I think, the top of the scale in terms of providing representation to the most vulnerable in society. I met so many of the staff people tonight and your board members, and this is a great place. And let me start out with that. A beautiful place too. This is great. I want to be a legal services attorney in this place. And let me say that I'm so happy at the occasion of tonight's celebration, the Pro Bono Scholars. Dean Yaski is here. We have talked about this program for a long time, and Pace is really making us look good. And I want you to know on behalf of not only the High Court, but the judiciary, that you have our total and complete support, because we understand that making the ideal of equal justice a reality has so much to do with all of you. And let me give you a brief context for the Pro Bono Scholars program and how we get to where we are today. There is obviously a justice gap in our state, in our country, between the finite legal resources that are available and the absolutely desperate need for legal services for the poor by so many in this state. 20% of our state is at the poverty level. 200% of poverty level is $47,000 a year. For a family of 4, go have your house foreclosed on and be a family of 4 earning $47,000 a year and go get legal representation. Your entire income for the year would go to it. You all make the difference on in all of these areas for so many people. Legal service providers, not only here in the Hudson Valley, but around the state, turn away more people than we can help. First and foremost in our efforts is about the new generation of lawyers and getting it printed on their foreheads, in their DNA, that this is what lawyers do. Lawyers help people. First and foremost, we help people. We're about service to others. We're not about, feathering our own nests, our own economic interests. So how do we do that? To be a lawyer in New York, you need to understand what lawyers do. You need to be you need to do pro bono work, or we're not going to allow you to be a lawyer in New York, because if you don't understand the value system of being a lawyer, then you shouldn't be one. And then go into another profession. Go into another profession that's all about the money. That's not what we're about, and certainly not what we should be about, and about the nobility of our profession. And I have to tell you, I'm so proud of Pace Law School. I'm so proud of the Pro Bono Scholars. I'm so proud of Lower Hudson Legal Services. All of us work together, and that's how this is going to work. If we have the academy, the profession, the providers, the judiciary working together, we can solve not only the justice gap, but the problems that the dean works with every day, that Barbara works with every day, that all of you do. They're all interconnected. And again, we have to have a profession, and I emphasize this word. I talked to the students today, we're at the law school. This is a noble profession. We have to demonstrate it day in, day out. That's what the Pro Bono Scholars program does. That's what you do every day. That's what the law school does every day. And we hope that's what the judiciary does. Because all of us, no matter what we do, the bottom line is we pursue justice. This is what we do. I don't care what part of the profession you belong to. We pursue justice, whether it's when we sit on the bench, when you represent people, when the law school teaches our new lawyers the value system of being a lawyer. That's what it's all about. Congratulations on the work you do every day, and congratulations on celebrating our fabulous pro bono scholars from Pace Law School tonight. So thank you all.